today, I choose you to be my wife and offer myself in return. Having you as a part of life and a partner in life is a kind of inspiration na binigay sa akin ni God. I am thankful that you become a part of me, not only for me but also sa mga anak natin. You are the extension of my life. Para bang power bank na nagbibigay sa akin ng additional strength pag weak ako.
Somewhere high up in the air, there I am long forgotten. I belong to you. Some unconscious stream of twisted logic.
Our start was never easy. I came to experience being in love from someone in North and South. Taga-Amatista ka lang pala. You came along according to God's perfect timing. I'm thankful how God wrote our love story and how He used your boss to make the first move. Hina mo kasi. Hindi naging madali sa atin. Alam mo yan, strict ang parents ko, kasama mga tito at tita ko. Alam mo yan. But you stayed and proven your word. Hindi ko sumuko sa posisyon mo sa buhay ko.
Barely still alive. Found your love sealed away in storage under my protection.
Ali, finally we're here. We made it happen. Thank you for a decade full of love. See you later. I love you so much. Maybe. Wow! Opo, sa'yo to ulit. Wow! Oh.
How could I have missed this if you are if I'd seen it coming, I'd have started running back at the starting line.
How God moves into our lives, letting us see and experience pain that lead us to each other's arms. Ang galing ni Lord. And I will never stop thanking Him dahil isa ka sa maraming answered prayers ko.
Send my gratitude.
Hi honey, I hope you enjoy this day of our life. I hope you like my simple gift. I love you so much. I will remember this special day for the rest of our lives. I love you, I love you, I love you. Jolly.
Wow!
One to hold against me all I failed to prove.
Let us be partners, friends, and lovers today and all of the day that follow. I will take you as you are. Tatanggapin at mamahalin ka kung ano ikaw ngayon at kung anong magiging ikaw.
For sure, recorded pa lahat to and alam kong malaking possibility of failing you out of my promises. What I am sure is, we'll let God continue to move into our marriage and I am sure the rest of it will follow. I love you, honey. Mahal na mahal kita, Jolly.
I will share you in my dreams with your dreams. And pareho nating bubuin at gagawing makatotohanan lahat ng goals natin. And above all else, I will love you forever and I will love you all the rest of my life.